What's up, guys? How we doing? How we doing? Hope everyone is doing well. Today we are back at it again. I am doing a little personal rip of 2023 Bowman Chrome Hobby. This is release day. This is the product. You're looking for 2 autos per master box. Hopefully some nice color. Couple new things this year, some new inserts, and they put in the brand new retrofractors. And those are first Bowmans of legends who have never had Bowman cards before. Some pretty big cards to be pulled there. The Babe Ruth Super has a $200,000 bounty, so we're going to go ahead and pull that card now. Wish me luck. As always with all my personal rips, I do like to slow roll myself, so feel free to speed up if that's not your jam, or check until the end when I do a hit recap. Haven't watched too much of this open yet, so may not know all the players. A lot of them are overseas signers, etc., but couple of the top names I know as well. Ethan Salas, I know, is the #1 chase. I believe Basalo from the Orioles is up there. Dodgers have a guy, Mariners have a guy, but with Bowman stuff, you never know. May not be the guy you're chasing today who becomes the name in the product. Alright, let's see what we got cooking. Starting out with a Joey Ortiz, and we have an iconic insert of Bregman, and we have some color in our first pack. We do, and that is going to be purple, I believe, for the Minnesota, or for actually the Giants. That's a rookie of Patrick Bailey to $2.99. That might be fuchsia. Tough to tell with this product. Lots of colors. There's Vaquero and Paula. Lots of colors, lots of new colors. Large checklist, but they keep us coming back. There's an Oswald Peraza rookie. Wander Franco, and we got blue. I know what blue looks like. Could be a nice card if it's the right name on the blue. For Boston, is that Raffy Devers? Yeah, it's a blue Raffy Devers. You're not really looking for vet color in this to 150. Drew Jones and Crawford. Any color's better than no color, but when it's tough to hit color, you're looking for those first and top prospects, or maybe a retrofractor. There's Vinny Pasquantino, Christian Yelich. Behind that, we have our first auto, Clark Elliott. That's actually not a first Bowman auto, which is normally not a good thing unless it's just missing the logo. Guanipa and Maia. I believe Maia might be one of the better prospects in the product. Yankees, which always helps. There's Joey Votto. Iconic Wander Franco. That's an interesting person to pick for that set. And we got a purple shimmer first for the Pirates. That's going to be Jun Suk Shim, pitcher, but I've actually heard he's pretty decent. It's a 250 on the purple shimmer. Pitchers normally don't sell too well. There's Rebus and Torin. So if you're going to get one, gotta hope that they're good. There's Xander B. Mike Trout. We have a Jackson Merrill AFL. L'Antigua and Chivali. Last pack of our first Basca box. There's Jordan Walker, Mark Vientos. We got more color. Gotta say, got a nice amount of color. That is a green for the Royals. Michael Garcia to 99. Luis Torres first, and Jackson Holiday closing out our first master box. Definitely a nice amount of color in there. Unfortunately, none of the names you're looking for, and I don't think that auto is one that you're looking for either. Second rounder, but a again, it doesn't have that first Bowman auto, so unless that was a mistake, which they do sometimes where they accidentally don't have the first logo. He's already signed. Not what you're looking for out of this product. Gotta go hunt those first. Alright, let's see what we got cooking in Master Box number 2. Still waiting on my favorite 1-run retrofractor. Making me wait for the last Master Box on the influencer box that I got. Any Bowman release day, always a fun one. Get 3 times a year with the big boys. Regular Bowman, Bowman Draft, and Bowman Chrome. Alright, we started out with an iconic Brett Beatty. There's an Invicta, Gabriel Hughes, Mejia, and Jordan Lawler. There's the Polar Bear, Casey Schmidt. We got a insert. It came to the league. Drew Jones, Jackson Churio, and Luciano. Would love to see some low-numbered color. Maybe a little red to 5. Super, yeah. Why not ask if we're gonna ask? There's Gunnar Henderson, rookie. Logan O'Hop, rookie. Behind him we have, for the Diamondbacks, that is Christian Serta. That's a first auto. It is a base though. Not sure on Serta if he's one of the bigger names in the product. There's Gutierrez and Bonilla. There's a Riley Green rookie. Iconic of Mr. Trout. There's a Miguel Bleis refractor. Plaz and Benjamin. There is Matt Olson. Michael Garcia. We got a AFL, Jason Dominguez, Alex Ramirez, and Tomatis. And we're going to need some last pack magic here. There's a Bryce Miller rookie, Matt Mervis, Prospect Process, Vaquero, Parada, and Samuel Munoz. To close it out, I will put together a quick little hit recap for you guys with some of our bigger hits from the break. Feel like that one was not the best, unfortunately. Lots of color in that first Master Box, just the wrong names. No color in the second Master Box. The 2 base autos. Alright, we got, it came out the league, Drew Jones, first Chrome, Maya. Color, Fuchsia to 299, Patrick Bailey. Purple Shimmer to 250 of Shim. Blue to 150, Rafi Devers. And a green, Michael Garcia to 99. And our 2 autos, Clark Elliott and Christian Serta. That is going to do it for the break. We'll be back on later this evening with 2023 Topps Chrome Monster Boxes. And tomorrow night with 2023 Topps Chrome Sapphire. Thank you guys so much for joining. As always, peace and love all.